If you're colorblind, we will not allow you on board. And it is not because we're holding anything against you, it's a very simple fact that when you're on the sea, or especially on the navigation side or the engine side, a lot of your work is color coded, which is very scary. Why talk about diabetes alone? Let's talk about high blood pressure. सीफेरर्स में मेरे को डायबिटीज़ इतना तंग नहीं कर रहा है जितना हाई ब्लड प्रेशर तंग कर रहा है. मैं जहाज़ों के साथ रह के एटलीस्ट इस लेवल पे आ गई हूँ जब मैं बोलती हूँ ड्रिंकिंग इन मॉडरेशन. दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इफ़ यू आर बीइंग टोल्ड टू वर्क ऑन समथिंग, आई थिंक यू शुड, बिकॉज इट इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू स्टॉप ऑन इट्स ओन. योर बॉडी इज यू टेकिंग इट डाउन अ स्लोप, सो यू कांट जस्ट से कि ठीक है चलते रहो. इट विल गो डाउन. You have to arrest it somewhere, you have to stop it somewhere and start climbing back up the hill so that you're staying fitter for longer. It is important.
Welcome to Sailor Talk, the podcast that navigates through the fascinating world of merchant navy. I'm your host, Jaspreet, and today our topic is health of seafarer, but we are talking about pre-medical joining checks, which is carried out by DG approved doctor. Today we are in Panchkula with Dr. Dipanjali Sharda. So I am welcoming to Dr. Dipanjali Sharda. So first of all, ma'am, how are you today?
Good morning all. Well, thank you so much. How are you keeping?
I am good. And first of all, you are in Christmas vibe.
Yes. Bright and nice.
Bright and nice.
Peps you up.
Yeah. So, ma'am, I am doing good, and I am here about 2025. What should I do to be healthy, be fit for my medical, and so I can be sail more many years at sea and earn more money? As health is wealth, but I say wealth is health.
Health is wealth indeed, and for seafarers it is even more important to look after themselves. अगर आप अपने हेल्थ का ध्यान नहीं दोगे किसी भी लेवल पे, आपको हम शिप पे नहीं जाने देंगे.
That is very true, ma'am. That's why everybody is saying it's very crucial point for all seafarers while they are going for a pre-joining medical checks.
Yes.
And they are very much worried because sometimes little bit of parameters can stop them to joining a ship.
Yes. तो इससे एक तो डरना नहीं है. Your pre-medical checkups are not there to scare you. We're not there to judge you. We're actually just telling you how you are, at what level of fitness you are. And हम insist क्यों करते हैं इस fitness पे? This, I think everybody, all seafarers will appreciate. When you're at sea, you don't have any medical help per se.
So this is the importance of
This is
pre-med.
very, very important. And apart from your job requiring you to be fit, this aspect has to play heavily on your mind.
Right.
आप जब तक अपनी हेल्थ पे ध्यान नहीं देंगे और अगर आप अनफिट होके आप सोच रहे हैं शिप पे चले जाएंगे और सब ठीक होएगा, वहाँ पे कौन ध्यान देगा? वहाँ पे एक इंजेक्शन देना भी मुश्किल हो जाता है.
Yeah.
है ना?
With this medical first aid course.
Yes, I mean, I only teach it. मुझे पता है आप किस लेवल पे हो. मैं ये नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि आप कॉम्पिटेंट नहीं हो, बट आप सोचो जिस आपने कभी कभार देखना है कोई ऐसा केस, है ना?
Right.
तो दिल को एक बारी धक्का तो लगता ही है. कैसे करेंगे, टेंशन तो होती है. एंड मेडिकल हेल्प कितनी देर में आएगी, आपने सिर्फ फर्स्ट एड दे के छोड़ दिया. पेशेंट के लिए बहुत हैरोइंग हो जाता है ये.
Right.
है ना?
Right.
हमने पेशेंट बनना ही क्यों है?
That is also point.
That is very, very important.
Yeah.
This is why
Unless there is some accident, that is
that
another.
is a separate story. वो
Yeah.
तो untoward incidents can happen anywhere.
Right, right.
With all precautions they do happen. है ना?
Right, right, right.
But आप unhealthy क्यों रहना चाहोगे और unhealthy क्यों जाना चाहोगे? मैं आज की डेट में कई सीफेरर्स को देखती हूँ. They've crossed 55-60 years of age and they're absolutely in the peach of health, absolutely healthy.
Man, I am come on this point later on. But first, we'll walk through. Ma'am, could you just tell us what is the process of pre-medical checks? How you start and what all are the things you are checking? And it is just like in a layman language.
Okay. So आप जब भी आते हैं अपने प्री मेडिकल चेक के लिए, एक तो शुरुआत में ही व्हेन वी वांट यू टू जॉइन सम कोर्सेज,
हाँ जी.
हम तभी चेक करके आपको कुछ पैरामीटर्स बता देते हैं वेदर और नॉट यू फिट टू जॉइन सी फेयरिंग प्रोफेशन एज सच.
Okay, this is means before pre-sea training.
Pre-sea training, yes.
Okay.
So that time, very very important things that we check in you is your height, your weight, of course, है ना. What matters to us more than anything else is your eyesight.
Color blindness.
Color blindness.
Yes.
Yes, that is very very important. If you're colorblind, we will not allow you on board. And it is not because we're holding anything against you. It's a very simple fact that when you're on the sea, or especially on the navigation side or the engine side, a lot of your work is color coded. अगर आप कलर ही नहीं पढ़ पा रहे हैं,
Yeah, red and green
Red
for
and
a
green नहीं
deckies.
पढ़ पा रहे हैं,
Yes, and the wiring is for the
for
engineers
the engineers, तो अगर आप वही नहीं
and
कर पाओगे,
pipelines as well.
yes, pipelines. A lot of times people don't pay attention to that also.
Yeah.
But अगर आप नहीं color code कर पाओगे तो कैसे चलेगा? And you're not just risking yourself, you're risking the entire ship.
Yeah.
So हम नहीं allow करेंगे. And I think this is very very clearly written guideline by DG Shipping also, by ILO also. It has to be adhered to.
Ma'am,
इसका कोई इलाज नहीं है. इससे पहले आप मुझसे पूछिए ये ठीक हो सकता है, जेनेटिक होता है मोस्टली, और आपको कोई भी ऐसा काढ़ा, कोई भी ऐसी दवाई, कोई भी ऐसी एक्सरसाइज करवा के हम कलर ब्लाइंडनेस वापस नहीं आपको दे सकते, कलर विजन वापस नहीं दे सकते.
okay.
एक चीज़ अच्छी है, येस, पीपल हु आर कलर ब्लाइंड उनको कलर विजन गॉगल्स मिल सकती हैं,
Okay.
बट दैट्स फॉर रिक्रिएशनल पर्पसेस. आप लेकिन नेविगेशन में ये पहन के नहीं आ सकते.
Okay.
Same
So,
goes for
ma'am, it
pilots.
is very clear cut that if somebody is having a color blindness,
Yes.
he cannot join Merchant Navy.
Not on the engine side, not on the deck side.
How about galley?
Galley, there's not big a problem. I would reserve my comment on that though.
Okay.
But अगर आप पैसेंजर शिप्स पे जा रहे हो और आपने लेट्स से आपका जॉब स्टूवर्ड है या किसी ऐसी लेवल पे हो जहाँ पे कलर कोडिंग इज़ नॉट लाइफ थ्रेटनिंग, यस, वहाँ पे चल जाएगा,
Okay.
है ना.
So, ma'am, eyesight should be 6x6 for the
Yes.
deckies, and
Maximum for engine side which is allowed is also not much. 6 by
Okay.
18 in your worst eye, right?
okay.
But
I think same for a galley, if I'm not.
same for galley. And we're allowing that because engine side, you don't have to look far. For navigation, you have to depend
You have
on
to
your
rely
eyes.
on your
you
eyes
have
only.
to rely on your eyes.
Yes.
So there we don't appreciate or allow
Yeah.
glasses. Some companies do allow you glasses, but there your spares have to be ample.
Okay.
But again, if you're going to do watch keeping, we will reserve that.
Okay.
है ना.
Fine.
So ये फर्क पड़ता है. Sight is very 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 critical for you guys.
What else? This is the, like I can say, don't, like these guys cannot join. It's a very clear cut.
It's a very clear.
Yeah. How about the other checks? Something like which maybe you must prioritize. Like this is the topmost, the question which is asked by the aspirants or in common in society. Like some parents are asking, my kids want to join, but they had the color vision. So for them, this is very clear cut
Very
answer.
clear cut.
That with the color blindness.
Minor, major, don't get into that. Only red है, only blue है. Color blindness means no, finished.
End of story.
End of story. And it is not to discourage anyone. It is just there for your benefit, for any seafarer's benefit.
Right.
Like I said, your life depends on it.
Right.
So not just yours, the entire ships.
Yeah.
Right. So we will. Why risk? Why
Yes.
take a risk? Why risk it? No, better है कि हम कुछ और कर लेंगे, है ना.
Excellent.
Apart from this, your physical fitness is very important. ये नहीं होना चाहिए कि आप 4 स्टेयर्स चढ़ के हाफ रहे शिप पे नहीं काम कर पाओगे फिर. दिस इज़ फॉर श्योर. हम लकीली या अनलकीली उतने स्ट्रिक्ट पैरामीटर्स नहीं मांगते जितने हम आर्मी में या कमांडो कोर्सेज के लिए मांगेंगे, बट स्ट्रिक्ट तो होना पड़ेगा. योर वेट इज़ ऑफ अ बिग कंसर्न. यू कैन नॉट बी अंडर नरिश्ड एंड यू कांट बी ओवर नरिश्ड फॉर श्योर, है ना. योर
BMI should be in
BMI
range.
should be adequate,
Okay.
है ना. You can't be absolutely obese and say I want to join. I will not recommend that for you, है ना. Obesity के साथ 100 और चीज़ें आती हैं. Why be in that range where we'll end up getting some or the other problem. And ship पे तो वैसे भी you've seen enclosed space entries हैं, कितना कुछ हो रहा है.
Ma'am, as you sailed with your husband, I think you are not talking like a doctor. You are talking like a seafarer.
Thank God. I have been dealing with seafarers and yes, these are common problems that they face. अगर आप बहुत मोटे हो, बहुत मोटे टू द एक्सटेंट कि वो आपकी डेली रूटीन अफेक्ट कर रहा है, तो आप शिप पे काम कैसे करोगे?
राइट.
और फिर मेरे को कई लोग आके बोलते हैं मैम यूक्रेनियंस भी तो मोटू हैं, दे आर नॉट फैट, they are muscular, they must be more sturdy and robust. I cannot comment on that because मैंने
I
उनको
think their
as a doctor
BMI
नहीं
is
देखा.
also
BMI
varied.
for, yes, for every other nationality, for every other ethnicity it will be different, है ना? तो अगर आप कट कॉपी पेस्ट करोगे सभी पे, वो नहीं हो सकता. आप अपने आप को देखो, मैं सभी को ये बोलती हूँ आप पहले अपने आप को देखो, तो दूसरी नेशनैलिटी के साथ कंपैरिजन क्यों चाहिए अपने को?
राइट. राइट.
उनका मस्कुलर स्ट्रक्चर अलग है, उनका हाइट अलग है ना, उनके पैरामीटर्स
फूड
अलग
हैबिट्स
हैं,
अलग हैं.
फूड हैबिट्स अलग हैं, तो उनके साथ कंपैरिजन नहीं करना है. हमने अपने लिए देखना है. अगर आपके पेट पे वेट है, ये बड़ा सिंपल सा फंडा है और ये मेडिसिन में आई थिंक सब भी अप्लाई करते हैं. पेट पे वेट मतलब ये आपको तंग करेगा, है ना? तो आप शिप पे क्यों ही लेके जाओगे पेट पे वेट?
Right, where you have very restricted medical facilities
Yes,
available.
yes. And then a lot of times when I'm doing medicals for people, they come and tell me, मैम जब तो शिप तो उतरिया सी 15 किलो काट सी 15 किलो वध गया, you know,
Okay.
this is very common. 15 kgs बढ़ाना भी कोई आसान बात नहीं है, ऐसा क्या किया आपने?
Right, right.
और ये बोलना कि शिप पे हम काम करते हैं, शिप पे टाइम पे खाना हो जाता है. आप मेरे को घर आके बताओ आपको कौन रोक रहा है काम करने से,
Right.
और कौन रोक रहा है आपको हेल्दी खाना खाने से,
Right.
है ना? वो नहीं मानेंगे. वो
Personal commitment.
पर्सनल कमिटमेंट बोल लो, ये बोल लो कि ज़्यादा लाड आता है, घर
घर पे-
आके आप बहुत रिलैक्स हो जाते हो, ये आपके अगेंस्ट काम करेगा. और अब तो आगे से आगे हम बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट होते चले जाएंगे इसको लेके, क्योंकि आप आई डोंट नो वेदर यू आर अवेयर ऑफ इट, वर्ल्ड वाइड डायबिटीज़ इज़ नॉट कंसिडर्ड डिजीज़ एनी मोर, इट्स एन एपिडेमिक, है ना? और अगर वर्ल्ड वाइड इतना सभी की हेल्थ को, मैं तो सिर्फ एक छोटी सी बात कर रही हूँ डायबिटीज़ की, इतना आपकी हेल्थ को अफेक्ट कर रहा है, तो हम उसके अगेंस्ट स्टैंड लेंगे. और हमारा अगर शिपिंग में, सीफेयरिंग में हम कहीं पे आपको रोक सकते हैं, आपको बचा सकते हैं, हम करेंगे.
But ma'am, like as I'm also selling, but you are doing more into it to medical checks. I felt there is less diabetics in a sailor society. As a seafarer, there are only few, or maybe I am not in that circle, I can say.
आई विल नॉट से फ्यू, कम है कंपैरेटिव टर्म्स में बोलो तो,
Okay.
है ना? कम इसलिए भी है क्योंकि मुझे कई बार ये लगता है आपका शिप पे जाना आपके लिए काम कर जाता है, इट वर्क्स इन योर फेवर.
Okay.
But of late, the trends are changing. I
Okay.
am not going to mince my words here.
Okay.
Of late, things are changing in terms of, I find younger population coming with diabetes, which is very scary. Why talk about diabetes alone? Let's talk about high blood pressure. सीफेरर्स में मेरे को डायबिटीज़ इतना तंग नहीं कर रहा है जितना हाई ब्लड प्रेशर तंग कर रहा है. और वो एक स्टेट ऑफ डिनायल है कहीं पे कि मेरे को फील नहीं होता. दिस इज़ वेरी कॉमन. आप बता रहे हो हाई है, मेरे को फील नहीं होता. मैं सभी को बोलती हूँ जिस दिन आपने फील ले ली ब्लड प्रेशर
Then
की
you
ना,
will be in
इट
hospital.
इज़ अ वेरी बैड साइन. हमने फील नहीं करना है. आपको फील इसलिए नहीं हो रहा क्योंकि बॉडी धीरे धीरे कोप कर रही है. यूर
Right.
अब्यूजिंग योर
But
बॉडी.
one day it will not cope up.
Yes,
Then-
one
then-
day your body will say बस हो गया, इतना ही है. है ना?
So
इससे
these
ज़्यादा
are the major parameters which we are checking: color blindness, PP,
PP.
diabetes.
Hypertension, your viral markers. Let me be very clear about this. And DG guidelines are also very strict, and I know why. आपके जो है HIV, हेपेटाइटिस बी, VDRL is syphilis, ये स्टेटस जो है ये चेक करने बहुत ज़रूरी है.
Okay.
है ना? HIV is on the rise, not that rampantly,
But
but
now
on the
people
rise.
are aware.
People
so-
are aware. Thankfully, people are
Yeah,
aware.
yeah.
बट उसके बावजूद मिलते हैं
Right,
हमें, you know,
right.
इतने प्रिकॉशंस के बारे में बताने के बावजूद हमें मिलते
But
हैं.
now some of the companies, even they are aligned to the positive one to sail with them, but there are only few because
Very few.
Very
and
few.
उसमें भी they are allowing only those people where the viral level is under check,
is under parameter.
under the required parameters, जहाँ पे हमें मेडिसिन देने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी ज़्यादा,
Okay.
है ना, जहाँ पे हम पेशेंट को प्रिकॉशंस के साथ भेज सकते हैं. बट यस टैबू है,
Okay.
मैं ये मना नहीं करी, बट मेरा कंसर्न एक और आता है. HIV के अगेंस्ट तो टैबू हो लिया,
Right.
है ना, तो कहीं ना कहीं अवेयरनेस भी स्प्रेड हो गई, कहीं ना कहीं लोग बचना भी चाहते हैं, सो
Right,
दे
right.
प्रोटेक्ट देमसेल्व्स.
Right.
व्हाट अबाउट हेपेटाइटिस बी एंड सी?
Even if I'll talk about myself, I just knew, okay, I got a shot. That's it.
That's what. So hepatitis B and C, luckily for Indian population, our government has taken initiative and we are giving vaccine against hepatitis B and we are rampantly giving it to children. है ना, we are protecting our children. But जो older age group है उसमें hepatitis B की वैक्सीन ही नहीं लेना चाह रहे लोग, है ना, उनको अवेयरनेस ही नहीं है. हेपेटाइटिस सी we're still struggling. और ये कहाँ से आता है? लोग बहुत लाइटली लेते हैं हेपेटाइटिस बी और सी को. This is not coming just from bodily fluids or instruments. It can come from your tattoo needles also.
Oh.
है ना, and people are not aware of
And
it.
actually, the seafarer, even I was
Yes.
planning to go for a tattoo, but then my wife, she is not agreed. She said, for what? For whom you need a tattoo? So I dropped my idea.
I'm fond of tattoos, but मेरे में हिम्मत नहीं हुई कभी tattoo करवाने की. But if you want to get a tattoo, please make sure that you're going to a place which is hygienic, which is taking care of the needles that they're using. They discard the ones which have been used, and they're opening a fresh batch for you. This is important. है ना, तो लोगों को इस बारे में नहीं पता है.
Hepatitis B and hepatitis C.
हमने अपनी आपकी जो स्क्रीनिंग होती है मेडिकल्स में, हम उसमें हमेशा चेक करते हैं, हमेशा चेक करेंगे. और अगर हेपेटाइटिस बी सी पॉजिटिव आता है, हम आपको फिर भी शिप पे नहीं भेज पाएंगे. लेट्स बी वेरी क्लियर अबाउट दिस.
Okay.
है ना, तो दिस इज़ नॉट कमिंग फ्रॉम योर डर्टी वाटर,
Okay.
विच अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल थिंक हेपेटाइटिस है तो गंदा पानी है. वो
Right,
हेपेटाइटिस ए और ई है. हेपेटाइटिस बी सी समथिंग लाइक HIV इन्फेक्शन, द स्प्रेड इज सेम. इसको सेक्सुअली ट्रांसमिटेड डिजीज बोलते हैं.
Okay.
पीपल आर नॉट अवेयर ऑफ इट. एंड फिर जब हम बोलते हैं कि ये पॉजिटिव है, हम आपको शिप पे नहीं जाने देंगे, दे होल्ड इट अगेंस्ट द डॉक्टर्स. पर्सनल नहीं है ये, है ना.
Right, right. It is for you.
इट इज़ फॉर योर बेनिफिट.
Yes.
आप अगर इन्फेक्शंस के साथ और ऐसे इन्फेक्शंस के साथ जहाँ पे हमारे को आपको कभी भी सपोर्ट देना पड़ सकता है,
Right.
है ना, मेडिकल सपोर्ट चाहिए, कैसे भेजते? 6 महीने आप शिप पे हो जहाँ पे नहीं आएगा मेडिकल हेल्प
Yeah,
इतनी
it's
आसानी
only
से.
radio medical advice, or either you have to go a port, then you have to visit a doctor.
very limited resource from medicine side, right?
Yes, yes.
तो कैसे भेजते?
Yeah, this is the nature of job actually.
This is the nature of job.
And the seafarer, they choose by themselves.
Yes.
Now they have to maintain this thing. Okay, if I will take care of myself, then my job is
Secure.
secured and safe.
Yes.
Otherwise, if I'm not taking care of myself, then you
No,
cannot sail anymore.
You cannot. And I'm being very, very open about it. No doctor wants to hold you back.
Yeah.
हमें क्या मिलेगा आपको रोक के?
Right.
हमें कभी एक डॉक्टर के नज़रिए से भी देखो, हमारे पास आके सारे बोलते हैं मैम इतनी ज़्यादा गाल है ना.
Right.
इतनी सी नहीं है. किडनी स्टोन्स कितने कॉमन है. किडनी स्टोन्स आर, मैंने शायद इतने केसेस नॉर्मल पेशेंट्स जो दूसरे पेशेंट्स हैं उनमें नहीं देखे जितने मैंने सीफेयरर्स में देखे हैं.
Kidney stone.
किडनी स्टोन्स. और किसी वजह से डीजी ने बोला नहीं जी हम अल्ट्रासाउंड करेंगे पेशेंट्स का, है ना. हमें आपको अल्ट्रासाउंड करके काफ़ी चीज़ें पकड़ी जाती हैं जो आपके इनहेरेंट डिसऑर्डर्स होते हैं, वो तो पकड़े जाते हैं. बट मेरे को लगता है एक ये गॉल स्टोन्स, गॉल ब्लैडर में स्टोन्स और एक किडनी स्टोन्स, ये इतने कॉमन हैं सीफेयरर्स में. और आप ये लेके चले जाओ पत्थर जहाज़ पे, उन्होंने आपको दर्द ही देनी है. सच्ची बात है. और फिर आप बोलोगे कि दर्द हो रही है उतारो मुझे, आपको उतारना भी आसान नहीं है.
Yes.
आई मीन आप एज अ पेशेंट सोचते हो कि हाय मेरे को दर्द है और मेरे को शिप से उतारने नहीं दे रहे हैं.
But there is a commercial aspect
There is
also.
a big commercial aspect to it.
Right. Nobody gonna burn 30-40 tons of fuel just to get
Just
rid
to
from
get you
your
down.
pain. There are companies, those are doing. Actually, all of the companies are very much into the welfare of seafarer.
Yes.
But sometimes situation is like that. If you go back, there is
Situations will be.
there is a typhoon, and if you move faster, then there is a typhoon. So you have to maintain that speed. So this is like a nature of job.
नेचर ऑफ जॉब. आप पोर्ट नहीं है अब पास
Right.
में, यूर मिडल ऑफ द पैसिफिक.
Right.
व्हाट डू यू डू?
Yeah.
आई मीन, और आपको अगर पथरी है और आप शिप पे इसको चढ़ गए, नहीं कुछ नहीं होता करके. आई मीन पहले नहीं करते थे अल्ट्रासाउंड हम, आपको अगर याद होगा कुछ साल
Yeah,
पहले
additionally it was not there.
इट वाज नॉट कंपल्सरीली डन,
Right.
राइट. और कितने लोग उतरते थे और फिर रोते थे कि इतनी दर्द हो रही है।
यस,
अब वो आप सोचो, आपने पूरा जहाज हिला के रखा हुआ है, आपका चीफ मेट भी डरा हुआ है, आपका कैप्टन भी, you know, he's
and
hesitant
one
in
guy is
giving
just standing sitting in your cabin and watching you all the
Watching
time,
you.
monitoring. He's just watching because he can't do anything.
Cannot,
He
and
don't have a this
so
the
you're the one suffering. Think about the others, they're
Yes.
suffering with you.
Yes, yes.
इतना हेल्पलेसनेस होता है उस टाइम पे। और जिनको दर्द हुई है, मेरे को पता है, जिनको दर्द हो जाती है ना, वो बड़े स्ट्रिक्ट हो जाते हैं कि नहीं जी, हमें पत्थर चाहिए नहीं, हम तो निकाल के ही जाएंगे जैसे मर्जी करके।
Right,
बट जिनको ये पेन नहीं हुई, जिन्होंने किसी और में भी शायद नहीं देखी, वो बड़े लाइटली लेते हैं। मैम जान दो, हो जाएगा। नहीं होगा, मुझको पता है नहीं होगा। और हम जब पकड़ते हैं, हम आपके बेनिफिट के लिए पकड़ रहे हैं। किसी डॉक्टर को क्या मिलेगा आपको रोक के, नहीं जी आपके गॉल ब्लैडर स्टोन्स, वी विल नॉट अलाउ यू ऑन बोर्ड। उसमें तो दर्द, नो दर्द, यू टेक इट आउट, बिकॉज इसका पत्थर का जो दर्द है, गॉल पित्ता बोलते हैं इसको।
हाँ जी,
अगर ये दर्द उठ गया,
then
कोई नहीं संभाल पाएगा आपको।
right,
और उस टाइम पे फिर क्या करोगे? गॉल ब्लैडर निकाल के जाइए ना फिर आप,
सही
है ना। और मैं ये भी सभी को बताना चाहूँगी, ये प्रिवेंटिव है, ऐसा तो है नहीं कि ये सभी को हो रहे हैं या आपको क्यों हो रहे हैं ज़्यादा। अब पानी कम पीते हैं। मैं जितने जहाज़ियों को मिलती हूँ, एक तो ये बड़ा मिसकंसेप्शन है, इधर दे आर ओवर हाइड्रेटिंग दमसेल्व्स, 6 लीटर पानी पी रहे हैं दिन के, क्यों? और दे आर अंडर हाइड्रेटिंग दमसेल्व्स, दिन में 2 ग्लास पानी। एक बहुत फनी इंसिडेंट हुआ था मेरे पास, आई वाज टीचिंग, वो बंदा मेरे पास आया, चलते चलते देख के ओ ऐसे करके मुड़ गया। ऐसे क्या हुआ? मैम आपको देख के याद है, मैं 2 दिन से पानी नहीं पी। 2 दिन? कहते हाँ मुझे याद है, मैंने लास्ट कप पानी पिया था, आई हैव नॉट हैड वाटर आफ्टर दैट। एंड व्हाई? बिकॉज आई डोंट फील थर्स्टी। और अगर आप व्हाट्सएप का ज्ञान लोगे या कहीं से पढ़ने की कोशिश करोगे, कोई आपको बोलेगा प्यास लगने से पहले पानी पियो। इसमें मेरे को सेंस ही नहीं समझ आती, जब प्यास ही नहीं है तो प्यास लगने से पहले का क्या मतलब है ना। और कुछ बोलते हैं प्यास लगने के बाद पानी पियो, वो प्यास लगने के बाद कैन बी टू लेट। यू नीड टू हाइड्रेट योरसेल्फ स्लोली। ऐसा नहीं है कि हम सुबह ऊँट की तरह 2-2.5 ग्लास पानी पी लेंगे और उसके बाद सारा दिन पानी नहीं पियेंगे, ये नहीं चल सकता है। और ऐसा भी नहीं है कि आप 6 लीटर पानी पियोगे तो कुछ बहुत ही वंडरफुल हो जाएगा, है ना। तो मैं एवरेज इंडियन को वी ऑलवेज से 1.5 to 2 liters of water you have, you will get adequate hydration. After that your tea,
so you
your
can get rid from the
yes
kidney stone
yes,
or a stone
I
in
think
gallbladder.
seafarers को तो बहुत हेल्प होगा, एटलीस्ट ये करना शुरू कर दो। इसके अलावा आपका नींबू पानी अगर आप पी रहे हैं, छाछ पी रहे हैं, हाइड्रेट योरसेल्फ, दैट्स व्हाट यू नीड। यू हैव
Ma'am, there is one another test, TMT.
yes,
That is mandatory for everybody, or it is only for the certain age?
so TMT is recommended after you're 40.
After 40.
Recommended,
Okay.
है ना। But there are some companies who insist that we'll do TMT every 1 year or every 2 years for everybody.
Okay.
And I think that is very healthy.
Okay.
Reason being, a lot of times we cannot really assess how your heart is doing. ECG, for example, ECG करते हैं हम, electrocardiogram, this is for diagnostic purposes. आपका हार्ट अभी कैसा है ना, अभी ठीक धड़क रहा है, अभी ठीक काम कर रहा है, we can visualize on that. अगर आपको पास्ट में कुछ हुआ था और आपके हार्ट मसल को कोई प्रॉब्लम हो गया है, हमें ECG पे पकड़ा जाएगा, है ना। लेकिन आप ये बोलो कि मैं आपसे 2 मिनट बाद का भी आपके हार्ट का कंडीशन ECG पे बता सकते हो, नहीं बता सकते हो।
Okay.
सो TMT वहाँ पे काम आता है, इट इज़
Okay.
प्रिडिक्टिव,
Okay.
कि फ्यूचर में तो नहीं गड़बड़ होगा।
Okay.
हम आपको हार्ट को थोड़ा स्ट्रेस देंगे, थोड़ा चलाएंगे।
So, ma'am, in
तेज
TMT,
धड़काएंगे।
just correct me. So one has, so you will put so many.
हाँ, बेसिकली वी आर
wires
टेकिंग
and-
ECG while we are making your heart beat faster.
And then it is on. They are running and
Either not running, we recommend walking
Walking.
fast,
Then-
and maybe on an incline.
Okay.
And we check कि आपका हार्ट कितना कोप कर पा रहा है,
Okay.
उसके वेव पैटर्न में कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं आ रही है,
Okay.
है ना। सो दैट्स हाउ वी विल बी एबल टू प्रिडिक्ट इट। अब प्रिडिक्ट क्या कर रहे हैं हम, कि हार्ट के मसल को एडिक्वेट ब्लड सप्लाई मिल रहा है कि नहीं।
Okay.
एडिक्वेट ब्लड सप्लाई नहीं मिलेगा तब वो प्रेजेंट करेगा, वो रोएगा, वो मांगेगा, ऑक्सीजन नहीं आ रहा है उसको,
Okay.
ना? तो हम TMT पे पकड़ पाएंगे। फिर हम आपको बोलेंगे, ये बताते से भी मैं आपको ये बता दूं, हमेशा ये सोचना कि TMT पॉजिटिव है इज़ अ बैड साइन नहीं। कई बारी कई रीजंस की वजह से TMT आपका पॉजिटिव भी आ सकता है। यू नो, देयर इज़ नो अंडरलाइंग डिसऑर्डर, इट इज़ रेयर, बट फॉल्स पॉजिटिव TMTs बोलते हैं, होते हैं। तो हर बारी TMT की रिपोर्ट दे के डरना भी नहीं होता है,
Okay.
है ना। लेकिन अगर हम आपको बोल रहे हैं नहीं जी ये TMT पॉजिटिव है और हमें पता है कि ये श्योरली पॉजिटिव है एंड वी आर नॉट रिकमेंडिंग एक रिपीट TMT, व्हाट वी नॉर्मली रिकमेंड इज़ कि आप इसके आगे नेक्स्ट स्टेप पे जाइए, स्ट्रेस इको कीजिए या आप एंजियोग्राफी कीजिए, आजकल नॉन इन्वेजिव
So,
एंजियोग्राफीज
ma'am,
हैं वो
like
करवाइए.
you are doing this, so you recommended to someone like recently to
Yes,
move further for
a lot of
angiography or so on.
yes.
Okay.
TMT positive maybe it's the cardiologist who has the speciality to read it. वो रीड करके अगर बोल रहे हैं कि नहीं जी मेरे को रिपीट TMT नहीं चाहिए, ही नोज इट, उनको इतने सालों का एक्सपीरियंस है, वो पढ़ते हैं, वो आपको क्या बोल रहे हैं कि हमें एक बेटर लुक चाहिए हार्ट के अंदर,
So
तो
then-
CT एंजियोज आते हैं आजकल
Okay.
नॉन इन्वेजिव, हम वो करवा सकते हैं. ऑफ कोर्स दे आर एक्सपेंसिव, देयर इज नो डाउट अबाउट इट, दैट इज़ द डाउन साइड ऑफ इट कि वो एक्सपेंसिव है. बट अगर आपको हम प्रिडिक्ट कर पा रहे हैं कुछ और हम उसको पकड़ने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, हम आपको शिप पे क्यों भेजेंगे व्हेन योर हार्ट इज नॉट फंक्शनिंग प्रॉपर्ली? आई वुडंट वांट टू सेंड यू ऑन द
When you are not fit, there is
You're
no
not
mean
fit,
for a
है ना?
job which is more riskier than your heart.
एग्जैक्टली. तो CT एंजियो करवा के वी कैन रूल आउट एनी काइंड ऑफ कॉम्प्लिकेशन, एनी काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम. एक्चुअली अगर वो फॉल्स पॉजिटिव TMT हम उसको भी रूल आउट कर पाएंगे,
Okay.
है ना? लेकिन हार्ट प्रॉब्लम के साथ भी हम आपको शिप पे नहीं भेज सकते.
So, ma'am, this I think this is very good about the TMT. Till now, I think most of us they are thinking if TMT is positive, then it is ये तो tension की बात है, but it's not like that.
इट्स नॉट ऑलवेज.
It is not always like
not
that.
always like
It is just to you have to move further, and
Huh.
if there is, and I think it is not like that. The after angiography also they have to go for a bypass surgery, but there will be some medicine or
Yes.
the prescription given by the cardiologist, and then you have to follow that, and then you can join
ये
also.
भी अब आपको मैं क्लियर कर दूँ. अगर हमें आपके ऊपर एंजियोप्लास्टी करनी पड़ रही है, एंजियोप्लास्टी इज द सर्जरी दैट वी परफॉर्म, और बाईपास करना पड़ रहा है, बाईपास स्पेसिफिकली आई विल स्ट्रेस ऑन दिस, यू आर नॉट फिट टू जॉइन C.
Okay.
Why? Because you have reached a level where your heart's plumbing is not proper anymore.
So, if any of us, any of the seafarer has a bypass surgery, he cannot join at sea.
No.
Never.
No, we will not recommend it.
Okay.
आप सोचिए आपका वीकर देन नॉर्मल हार्ट हो गया है. एक हार्ट है जो 100% फंक्शन करता है ना?
Okay.
वो पूरा हार्ट हमने को प्रॉपर सर्कुलेशन मेंटेन करके दे रहा है, और एक हार्ट है जहाँ पे कहीं ना कहीं डैमेज हुआ हुआ है. ये हार्ट को दोबारा डैमेज के चांसेस हैं, है ना? मैं आपको मेडिसिन दे सकती हूँ, आई कैन प्रोवाइड यू लॉन्जेटिविटी इन योर लाइफ, आई कैन गिव यू अ गुड क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ, यस. बट आप खुद सोच के देखिए, डू यू वांट टू रिस्क इट? डू यू वांट टू बी इन अ प्लेस वेयर मेडिकल हेल्प इज़ नॉट दैट इजीली अवेलेबल?
Right.
नो. हम भी क्यों भेजना चाहेंगे आपको फिर,
Right.
है ना? और ये थैंकफुली इतना कॉमन नहीं है सीफेरर्स में, बट हो रहा है. अगर हम ऑफ लेट डेटा उठाएं about the number of people getting heart attacks,
You
it's
had
slightly
very good
rising.
data actually. I'll specifically ask for that, but right now we'll move on the fatty liver because like
This is a very very big topic, very big
but
topic.
we'll sum up very in short. But I just want to share one incident before that. On my last ship, we had a AB who is about to get married, and his liver with the fatty liver during medical, so he couldn't sign off. But captain is very good. He signed him off without a liver.
Okay.
So that time fatty liver become a burning topic on our ship.
Yes, it should be. It should be. Again, हम ओबेसिटी की बात कर रहे हैं. मैं अगर बड़े बेसिक शब्दों में समझाऊं तो आप ये सोचो,
मोटापा.
मोटापा तो ठीक है, वर्ल्ड वाइड ना हम हिंदुस्तानियों को थिन फैट इंडियंस बोलते हैं. दे आर थिन फैट इंडियंस बिकॉज externally if you look at most of our population, it's not fat. You're not bulky here, your legs will not be bulky, but पौंची निकली होगी, है ना? अब वो पौंची का मतलब क्या है कि बॉडी ने अंदर, तो आपकी बॉडी के अंदर पहले तय लगा लिए ढेर सारे फैट के, अब वो उसके पास जगह नहीं बची है तो
Now
बेचारी
it
वो
is
बाहर
coming.
निकाल रही है.
Okay, now your tone is coming up.
Tone is coming out now. That tone says a lot. Tone says कि भैया लिवर पे भी फैट की चर्बी चढ़ रही है और कोई रीज़न नहीं है, और आप इसको बड़े आराम से फैट बोल रहे हो. नॉन अल्कोहलिक फैटी लिवर डिजीज़ जिसको हम बोलते हैं, जो अल्कोहल की वजह से नहीं है, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो ऑन द राइज. whether it is because of food habits, whether it is because of hormones, whether it is because of your erratic lifestyle, whatever you want to pin it on, इट इज़ देयर एंड इट इज़ इंक्रीजिंग. अब वो फैटी लिवर कहाँ तक सेफ है आपको, आपके काम करने के लिए शिप पे, और कहाँ पे वो इराटिक है कि हम आपको नहीं जाने देंगे, वो हमें पता है. Unfortunately, a lot of Indian population has grade 1 fatty liver, even when they're not fat. तो अभी निकले नहीं है बाहर, but grade 1 fatty liver है. हम वहीं पे आपको बोलना शुरू कर देते हैं, नहीं जी, रिवर्स.
But you allow with the fatty liver one to join with the recommendations.
With recommendations, yes. I mean, as a doctor, I'm not comfortable sending you with even grade 1 fatty liver.
Okay,
I
but
won't be. क्यों भेजूंगी मैं? मेरे को पता है आपके उस पर फैट की तय लग रही है, मैं आपको क्यों भेजना चाहूँगी? बट क्योंकि इतना ज़्यादा रैम्पेंट हो गया है, ऐसे तो हम सभी को रोक के बैठ जाएंगे.
right.
तो कई हद तक लिवर फंक्शन टेस्ट होते हैं आपके, बहुत
Okay.
स्ट्रिक्ट है ना. अगर वो नॉर्मल है, ग्रेड 1 फैटी लिवर है, आई विल देयर एंड देन स्टॉप यू. आई विल टेल यू वेरी पर्टिकुलरली कि आप इससे बढ़ा के आए तो हम
Then-
नहीं भेज पाएंगे.
Okay.
तो आपको, आप जैसे केस बता रहे हो जहाँ पे डॉक्टर ने बिल्कुल मना कर दिया, इमरजेंसी रिलीवर भी होगा अगर वो,
Right.
और उसको डॉक्टर ने बड़े क्लियरली मना कर दिया है, तो उसका लिवर बैठा होगा, उसके लिवर के एंजाइम्स ठीक काम नहीं कर रहे, ऊपर से ग्रेड 1 ग्रेड 2 फैटी लिवर है. इट्स नॉट हेल्दी. ग्रेड 2 ग्रेड 3 भी आते हैं हमारे पास, कैन यू इमेजिन? मतलब आप सोचो, मैं आपको पिछले 3-4 साल से टोकती जा रही हूँ, आप नहीं सुनोगे, आप धीरे धीरे प्रोग्रेस करोगे. ग्रेड 3 के बाद बिलीव यू मी रिवर्सल भी मुश्किल है.
Then
आप
your
ग्रेड
liver
3
will
पे
be
पहुंच गए हो तो यहाँ पे आपका, अगर आप सोच रहे हो कि लिवर कोप कर रहा है, वो बहुत मुश्किल से कोप कर रहा है. इमेजिन द स्ट्रेस योर लिवर.
But I don't know ma'am, where I'm reading, but they're saying liver is really very it regenerates itself. But
वेरी
on a
स्मॉल पोर्शन ऑफ इट. इस
yes.
गलतफहमी में मत रहना
Yeah,
कि
but
वो संभाल लेगा.
but very small portion. But
Yes,
if you
1/3
reach
of
on
it.
that point where you can't recover, then forget about selling. Even you cannot save your liver itself.
इट इज़ अ फैक्ट. बहुत सारे पेशेंट्स को, क्योंकि लिवर बहुत सुंदर ऑर्गन है, इट विल कीप कोपिंग विद वट एवर अब्यूज यू थ्रोइंग एट इट. इट कोप्स, इट रीजनरेट्स लाइक यू सेड. अ लॉट ऑफ पेशेंट्स लैंड अप कमिंग टू अस व्हेन द लिवर हैज़ गिवन अप,
Okay.
है ना. और उस टाइम पर इट इज़ टू लेट. इफ़ यू थिंक लिवर ट्रांसप्लांट्स आर ईजी, देन नो, they're not easy.
So as a
Or-
seafarer, we have to more
have to be-
worried about
Yes, you
liver
should.
also.
लिवर ऑल्सो, एंड दिस डज नॉट मीन कि हम अल्कोहल कंटेन कर लेंगे जी,
It's a
शिप पे नहीं
non-alcohol.
मिलता है तो हम घर आके बिंज कर लेंगे. नहीं कर सकते हो. लिवर एक ही है नहीं मिलेगा किराए पे. वेरी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. सीफेयरर्स में अल्कोहलिक लिवर डिजीज जिसको बोलते हैं, वो भी है एक पार्ट, जहाँ पे बिंज ड्रिंकिंग बहुत है, बिकॉज हमने शिप पे रोक लिया. मेरे को
तो
पता
घर
नहीं
पे-
क्यों घर आके बिंज ड्रिंकिंग में लगते हैं कि शिप पे 6 महीने में आपको शिप की 6 महीने की कॉम्पनसेशन नहीं देनी है. नोबडी इज गोइंग टू आस्क यू कि 6 महीने हमने नहीं किया तो आप घर आके क्यों नहीं पी लेते इतनी बॉटल्स. इट इज़ बैड, है ना. ड्रिंकिंग, अब मैं जहाज़ों के साथ रह के एटलीस्ट इस लेवल पे आ गई हूँ जब मैं बोलती हूँ ड्रिंकिंग इन मॉडरेशन. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. क्योंकि मैं नो ड्रिंकिंग बोलूंगी तो बोलते व्हाट आर यू सेइंग, यू नो, यू
Then they will not listen you. They'll ignore you. Okay,
they will
it.
ignore you. So I've come to a level where I'm at somewhat their level and I can tell them, हाँ जी, this is good for you, this is bad for you. इतना कर सकते हो, चलो इतना सही. No doctor, they often come and tell me, doctors only recommend, please drink. I said, no doctor is recommending that. Doctors are on the back foot. They come to a level where they're writing on your prescription, you know, X number of ml in a week. You know, they're not saying ये पियो, वो बोल रहे हैं इससे ज़्यादा नहीं पीना है.
ज़्यादा नहीं पीना है.
बहुत फर्क है दोनों बातों में.
Right, right.
है ना?
Ma'am, as technology evolve,
Yeah.
is there any significant changes in seafarers' life?
Major.
I will pinch on one purposely. The ears.
Yes.
We had a rule number 5, look out, where it is say sight and hearing.
Yes.
So, ma'am, you want to comment on this?
Yes, I would want to. There are two things in seafaring. One, we can attribute to occupational hazard, especially engine side.
Engineers.
Yes, especially engineers. That is an occupational hazard. They're given protective gear, etc. But yes, I can understand if over a period of time.
They are staying in the noisy area
they're
where
staying in
engines
the
are
noisy
running and
area.
machineries are running.
So they may develop, है ना, hearing disorders. मेरे को अगर आप पूछो डेक साइड पे हियरिंग डिसऑर्डर क्यों हो रहा है,
Deck is also now.
डेकीज ऑल्सो नाउ डेज आर अफेक्टेड. और क्यों है? constant use of headphones, constant use of headphones. आप ये किस लिए कर रहे हो यूज़? कम्युनिकेशन के लिए? नो. नेटफ्लिक्स चल रहा है लाउड वॉल्यूम पे, म्यूज़िक चल रहा है लाउड वॉल्यूम पे. Constant exposure to this loud volume. You know about the singer Miss Alka Yagnik?
Right.
She had a major injury to her hearing.
Here, yes.
Now, I think this should be a wake-up call for everybody. Loud noise is not going to spare you, whether you're a celebrity or whether you're a nobody, right? अगर आप constant exposure देते रहोगे कहीं ना कहीं तो problem देगा वो. मैं वही बोल रही हूँ. Dexide ऐसा नहीं है आप लोगों को नहीं होता है exposure to loud noise, but for you guys to come up at a younger age group, ये मेरे को oldies में नहीं दिख रहा है.
Means 35 plus, 40
No,
plus.
no, I'm talking about your third mates. I'm talking about decades. They've started developing these problems.
Okay.
And I'm talking about
So
really...
that's why your comparison is always going for the from beginners to the seniors.
To the seniors. Seniors, I think they understand, accept and work towards being healthy. They're more aware. Youngsters these days, I'm sorry, but I'm going to say blanket rule applies to the younger generation.
Gen Z.
Gen Z, they think they're invincible. कुछ नहीं होगा. ऐसे बैठ के आप सारा दिन अगर Netflix देखोगे, I mean, look at where you're keeping your phone, and you're lying down. You're not even reading. You're not doing something constructive, if you ask me. You're watching these shows back to back, binge watching बोलते हैं इसको. Is it helping you? Not at all. Mentally not helping you. Physically not helping you. Hearing, constantly having those earphones here, not helping you.
Ma'am, is there any case with your as you are conducting the test, have you denied any of just because of hearing?
Yes.
So it is all
But luckily this case was pre-C, तो वो कहीं आया ही नहीं मुद्दे में.
Okay.
But yes, hearing was a problem. छोटा सा बच्चा, it really hurt me. 18 साल का नहीं सुन रहा उसको, और मेरे को पता है मेरी बात नहीं सुन रही. आप सोचो ऑडियोग्राम तक तो अभी वो पहुंचे नहीं थे जनाब.
Okay.
मैं उससे बात कर रही हूँ और उसको नहीं सुन रहा है. 1 year, मतलब वो अपनी गर्दन मोड़ के, दैट इज़ व्हाट यू डू. एक तरफ नहीं सुन रहा है तो जिस कान में सुन रहा है उस कान को पास लेके जाएंगे, वहीं से पकड़ लेते हैं हम. और वो गर्दन मोड़ के कर रहा है. ही हैड हियरिंग लॉस एंड इनिशियली व्हेन आई पॉइंटेड इट आउट, नहीं, देयर वाज डिनायल. पेरेंट्स ऑल्सो वुड नॉट एक्सेप्ट इट. हाउ कैन अ यंगस्टर हैव इट? Proof was audiogram. Was not being able to hear, cannot let you
So
join.
means these are even very small parameters.
Very small, but very important.
But very important. So you'll just go through all one by one. Hearing, then fatty liver, then your heart disease,
Hypertension. More than heart disease, hypertension.
Diabetes.
Yes.
One, I think I missed out one. Vitamin D. I'm a techie. And not long back actually, I think 5 years back, even I'm also deficient for the
Vitamin D.
Vitamin D.
So vitamin D deficiency.
But are you checking the vitamin D also?
No, it's not an essential parameter.
It is not essential because this one I remember this is a post medical. I am doing for myself after
Yes.
sign off.
Yes.
So then they said, what your job you are doing? It is in Chandigarh itself. Then I tell, okay, this. He said, but you had the vitamin D deficiency. Yes.
See, in our country, vitamin D deficiency is very common. There are reasons for it. One major reason is our diet.
Okay.
The other is our weather and our skin color.
Okay.
You know, Indians choose to be vegetarians, and vegetarians who are a little ignorant and unaware. है ना, ये एक फैक्टर है जो विटामिन डी डेफिशिएंसी के लिए प्लस हो जाता है. दूसरा हमारा स्किन कलर. व्हेन वी एक्सपोज आवरसेल्व्स टू हीट, टू सन स्पेशली, वी हैव मेलानिन टू प्रोटेक्ट आवर स्किन. दैट मेलानिन प्रिवेंट्स प्रॉपर conversion to vitamin D. Okay. Then third is, because our sun is like that and our weather condition is like that, we rarely venture out.
Yes. You
know, we will mostly wear sunscreen before going out,
right,
which I think is required. Secondly, winters mein the weather is so cold that you cannot sit and sunbathe actually. है ना? So है vitamin D deficiency inherently है. You have vitamin D shots available, you should be able to take it. डेक्साइड मुझे ज़्यादा नहीं समझ आती कि क्यों होनी चाहिए, बिकॉज सीफेयरर्स का नरिशमेंट स्पेशली एट सी बेटर होता भी है.
दैट्स व्हाट आई फेल्ट. इवन व्हेन आई एम एट सी, आई फील मोर फिट. That's why when I always come back, when my medical is due, I always insist, okay, do it now. Before
Before I do something wrong.
Before I
And why am
involve
I saying this is because at sea, the timing of your food
is very good.
is very good. The type of food you mostly get is good enough. है ना? It's not going to lack in major nourishment. जब घर आ जाते हो तो गड़बड़ यहीं पे होती है, फ्रूट ही नहीं खा रहे हैं जी, जहाज़ पे क्या है वो फ्रूट सामने पड़ा है तो आप चलते फिरते उठा लोगे कि चल स्नैक करना है, उठा लिया,
right.
वो फ़र्क पड़ जाता है. घर पे विटामिन डी शॉट्स अवेलेबल हैं, ले लो. आई ऑलवेज रिकमेंड दिस. एंड शिप पे मेरे को इंजन साइड फिर समझ आता है कि डेफिशिएंट क्यों होगा. उनको तो बेचारों को दिखता ही नहीं ना सूरज, कई दिन नहीं दिखता.
not exposed to sun
They're not
because
exposed to sunlight. Deck side, I wonder at times why. You're on the bridge. You're on the bridge wing, if nothing
so
else.
you're not
You
going
can
out
take a
there,
walk.
yes, you can go to bridge wing
You
and
can go to bridge wing.
Yeah.
I don't understand why you guys will have it. But अगर है तो again vitamin D shots are available. Vitamin D is available in various forms. Take it. आपको डाइट में से भी कितनी जगह से मिल जाएगा. आप अपने आमंड्स खाइए, वॉलनट्स खाइए, क्यों नहीं खा रहे हैं. घी से पता नहीं क्यों बह रहे इतना. देसी घी इज़ वेरी गुड. एग योक इज़ वेरी गुड. मैं एक बड़ा अजीब सा सिस्टम सुनती हूँ लोगों का, कोलेस्ट्रॉल है इसलिए एग योक नहीं खा रहे हो.
राइट, मिथ.
कोलेस्ट्रॉल इसलिए है क्योंकि आप बाकी कचरा खा रहे हो. आई मीन व्हाई ब्लेम इट ऑन द पुअर एग योक, है ना. सो वो मेरे को लगता है लोगों को कहीं ना कहीं समझ नहीं है.
But after hearing this entire thing, one question raised to my mind. Is seafarer community is healthier?
They have no choice. They have to be healthier.
So means they are
I
healthy.
started with that. They have to be healthy.
They have to. So seafarers are healthy as compared to any other community.
Comparatively, yes.
Okay. So this is the
this
the
works in your favor.
good news for us.
But you have to work for it. Again, I'm telling you, I see younger generation taking it very lightly. कि कुछ नहीं होता. मैं उनको सभी को बोलती हूँ 40 तक ना you can abuse your body. The way you're going, you can continue to do that. After 40, the body will abuse you. And it's a standing joke with me. मैं बोला फिर जाओगे कहाँ, होगे तो यहीं. But you can't afford to do that. You're, especially for seafarers, please understand it is your bread and butter. You need to be healthy. अगर आप हेल्दी नहीं हो, जहाज पे नहीं जा पाओगे, फिर आप बोलते हो कि जी मैम सारी पॉकेट मनी खत्म हो गई है.
Right.
देयर आर लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स जहाँ पे मेरे को मजबूरी में बोलना पड़ता है, नहीं जी इतने दिन का तो ट्रीटमेंट मेरे को भी देना है. आप बोल रहे हो नहीं जी मेरे को तो शिप पे जाना जरूरी है.
Is there any case where you allow somebody to join with some recommendations? Okay, he's like color blindness is big no, but
Big no.
But on some point, like even I will talk about myself being a decky. On some point, I'll have a power glass. So
Okay.
or I gain a weight which is just little above the BMI.
Yes. So there we do make exceptions. We make those exceptions after monitoring all the other parameters.
Okay.
है ना. अगर मैं आपको फैटी लिवर का एग्जांपल लेते हैं. फैटी लिवर है लेकिन बाकी सारे पैरामीटर्स ठीक है, ग्रेड 1 फैटी लिवर है. मैं आपको टोक के, आपको बहुत स्ट्रिक्टली समझा के कि ये आपके डाइट में होना चाहिए, ये आपको टोटली अवॉइड करना है, आपको ऐसे भेजूंगी.
Okay.
मैं आपको इस बात पे रोक नहीं पाऊंगी.
So means
मतलब मैं वही बोल रही हूँ, मैं कितनों को रोक लूंगी, सारे यहीं पे रह जाओगे. No, jokes aside, if you are being told to work on something, I think you should, because it is not going to stop on its own. Your body is, you're taking it down a slope, so you can't just say कि ठीक है चलते रहो. It will go down then. You have to arrest it somewhere. You have to stop it somewhere and start climbing back up the hill, so that you're staying fitter for longer. It is important for you.
So, ma'am, connecting to this, as you earlier said, even in this also, you said the generation. So, the new generation of seafarer, they are not worried about their health.
They're not.
But how about the older one?
They were. They still are. And जो बीच की एक generation है, which is in their 40s and 50s, I think when they hit 40, they get a wake-up call. And that's when they start working towards becoming healthier. Otherwise, वो फंसता है.
Okay.
है ना. मैं आपको छोटे से एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ. स्मोकिंग. We saw a big change, a big shift amongst smokers, amongst seafarers. There
Now
was
very
this.
less actually.
No, this
More?
is what I'm coming to. So there was this section of seafarers that I saw where I would find smokers, they were rare.
Rare smokers.
रेयर मतलब आप अगर देख रहे हो तो 1 out of maybe 20-25 एक लेवल वो आ गया था हमने.
Okay.
अब जो रिसेंट आए हैं
Newcomers.
न्यू कमर्स हैं, काफ़ी यंग एज पे काफ़ी स्मोकिंग है, काफ़ी ज़्यादा है. आई मीन नाउ आई एम कंपेयरिंग इट
So
विद
drink
द
and
ओल्डन
drive.
डेज. They don't
Smoke
want
and
to
fly.
drink, but they want to smoke. And excuses are so sad कि स्ट्रेस में स्मोक करते हैं.
Okay.
मेरे को एक बात बताओ, मतलब तुम अभी डेकेड हो, तुम्हें कौन सा स्ट्रेस है? प्लीज टेल मी व्हाट काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रेस आर यू टॉकिंग अबाउट, एंड हैज स्मोकिंग एक्चुअली प्रोवाइडेड यू फॉर विद अ सॉल्यूशन फॉर
Quick
your problem?
solution for problem.
No,
No.
it's never going to do that. I have seen seafarers who are elder who have quit smoking because they realize it's bad for them.
Even
Right?
I sailed with few of the guys.
They've
Those
quit.
quit like on a 40. I sailed with the captain. He's a 45-year-old. He said one day I decided I will not smoke.
Yes, that's how you go about
He
it.
said that is last day of my last puff, and
Yes.
after that he haven't smoked at all.
Ha-
And I sailed him thrice with him, and he's like absolutely. He said no, I am not touching at all.
Yeah.
He's a European actually, but I can say he's very much
Same
committed.
goes for a lot of Indians. A
Yeah.
lot of Indians you'll find चीफ मेट बन गए और एक दिन डिसाइड किया नहीं करना. है ना?
Yes.
समझ आता है नहीं करना. They become aware now.
Yes.
Youngsters, I don't understand why. They have picked up on smoking. Smoking actually, I don't want to pinpoint only at seafarers. Smoking, I think, India-wide phenomena hai, because it's become very cool on social media. There's
Right,
something called
right.
as vape.
Right.
There's something called as hookah. Hookahs have become very popular.
Yes.
है ना? And क्योंकि शिप पे वेपिंग और हुक्का नहीं
That-
मिलेगा,
that
people
is
tend
not
to smoke.
allowed. Yes.
And it is actually working against them.
Yeah.
So it is not a healthy thing to do. And they do land up
So
with
this
problems.
is the habit which caused them to health hazard.
Yes, it has become a health hazard. You hear of these newcomers or a lot of newspapers publish them, no? XYZ 26-year-old died.
Yes.
है ना?
There
Died
are
in
cases.
sleep.
Yes.
कैसे पता क्या कर रहा है? और हमारे को कई लोग ऐसे मिले यहाँ पे. Immediate my question is, स्मोकर था?
Hmm.
Yes. मैं आपको आज एक बड़ी सिंपल सी बात बताती हूँ. अगर आप स्मोक करते हैं, you taking in at least 72 different types of poisons in one go. Why are you doing that to your body?
72
70
type of
every
poisons in puff.
Every puff, है ना? मैं वो मजाक नहीं है कि दिल्ली जाके बैठ जाओ फिर अगर आपको सिगरेट पीने का शौक है. Why would you do this to yourself? Number
Right.
one question. Number two, please understand your heart is going to take a hit.
Right.
For sure it's going to take a hit. हम आपको अगर फिटनेस दे रहे हैं और अगर आप स्मोकर हैं और मेरे को कोई बोले कि इसको जी हार्ट अटैक हो गया, आई विल नॉट बी सरप्राइज्ड. I will not be surprised.
It has to be today, tomorrow,
It
or
has
day after
to be.
tomorrow.
You're asking for it. At least 21 times higher chances a smoker has of getting a heart attack. That's quite a lot. I mean, if numbers have been published, have been put up out there. मैं तो अभी कैंसर तक पहुंचे नहीं हूँ. मैं तो बड़ी सिंपल बातें बोल रही हूँ.
Ma'am,
Pancreatitis ले लो.
It's sorry to intervene you, but I just all of a sudden this click. Is there any data about seafarers that
And
how many are
smoking?
fit? No, not for smoking. For the entire pre-joining medical checks, that how many are unfit for sea last
we
year?
have that data, yes. We have that data. I won't be able to comment nationwide, but
But it's just like with
individually
your
all
clinic.
doctors, yes, all doctors will have that data. They will be able to comment on it. They will be able to say, okay, this is working for seafarers and this is working against seafarers.
Okay.
है ना? तो घूम घूम के वहीं पे बात आ जाती है कि जो गड़बड़ कर रहे हो वो एक्सेप्ट करना ज़रूरी है. फर्स्ट यू एक्सेप्ट योर प्रॉब्लम, ओनली देन यू वर्क अगेंस्ट इट. एंड again I am insisting, why wait for you to be at 40, or why wait for your medical parameters to show you that you're unhealthy to work towards your fitness? Why not work today?
Right. The very small step will
Very
lead you
small
to a
step.
good habits.
Yeah, definitely will. I mean, why do you want to have this yo-yoing of weight that you have, no? 15
Right.
kilo plus minus. 15 kilo is a lot. Your body is
Then
going
you
through
say
a lot
I'll
of
go
stress.
on a keto diet and I'll reduce.
Oh my god. And it has become a fashion, keto diet,
I
intermittent
just want to
fasting.
came there. That's why I kicked this thing, because recently even I am discussing with my team also that I had a cadet with me.
Huh.
He, that is his second ship. He is 128 kg, and he said my medical is valid for 2 years. I said it's okay, but how about next time? He said I'll take a keto diet.
ले लो. अब क्या कर सकते हो? I mean, he is morbidly obese. That's the word that comes to my head. 128 kgs is a lot of weight. I don't know why he is on board. Uh, it is difficult to manage that weight. And कितनी बारी कीटो कर लोगे? आपको किसी ने ये तो बोला नहीं कि कीटो करके आप फिर से फूल जाइए, है ना? Or for that matter, there's Atkins diet, there's GM diet, there's so many diets available. These diets are there to help people. I am not going to deny that. These diets are there to help you out of मोटापा, है ना, ओबिसिटी, उससे हम आपको निकाल लेंगे. बट आप ये सोचिए, ये कोई फैशन तो है नहीं कि आज आप 15 किलो कम हैं और आप फिर 20 किलो बढ़ा लेंगे. आप अपनी बॉडी की तरफ तो देखो.
Customize. You're customizing your body.
What are you trying to do to your body? मतलब एक दिन आप बोलते हो कि भैया मैं तुम्हें खाना नहीं दूंगा, एक दिन तुम ऐसे खा रहे हो कि देयर इज नो टुमारो. आपकी बॉडी इसके लिए नहीं बनी है. आपकी बॉडी को बहुत ही फिक्स्ड रूटीन चाहिए. वो मांगती है. हमारी बॉडी का एक सर्कैडियन रिदम है. बॉडी वो फॉलो करती है.
And even
आपका नींद का, आपका हार्मोन रिलीज का एक स्पेसिफिक टाइम है. आप ये थोड़ा ना कर सकते हो सारा दिन कि भैया आज ये कल वो. इट हैज़ अ नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट ऑन योर हेल्थ.
As you mentioned about sleep, uh, as a seafarer, like when recently I am doing the ocean crossing. Although we had a very good routine on board, 7 to 8 is a breakfast, 12 to 1 is a lunch, and 5:30 to 6:30 is a dinner. And meanwhile, we had a breaks also. Usually, people don't eat at night, but there are few. Even land also, some of them is eating, but usually not. But we had a clock adjustment.
Yes.
1 hour advancing, 1 hour retiring, and when you are crossing the ocean, sometimes you are skipping the day and adding the day also.
Yes.
So when we talk about the diet on time, I think we cannot cope up with that. How
cannot.
you will comment on particular thing which is not our habit and which is not our control? And adding more to it, some of the newcomers even don't know they will have a advancing or retiring because they don't know which ship
Yes.
on which route they are going.
This is something that people only on board will be able to appreciate. होगा, टाइम चेंज होगा, आप एक एक घंटा आगे पीछे जाएंगे. there's no doubt about it. Your sleep patterns get affected, especially when you're on board. आई थिंक सेकेंड ऑफिसर की जॉब मेरे को तभी एक तरह से बड़ी अच्छी लगती थी. कोई तंग नहीं करता 12 से 4 की वॉच पे. बट उसका डाउन साइड इज यू आर एक्चुअली अप ड्यूरिंग अ टाइम व्हेन यू शुड बी स्लीपिंग.
But your sleep pattern will be adjusted.
Sleep pattern will be adjusted when you come back on land. Again, you will go through the adjustment. It takes a toll. It takes a toll. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप रातों को जग रहे हैं. एंड ये तो मैं सभी के लिए बता सकती हूँ कि किसी भी प्रोफेशन में अगर आप अपने नॉर्मल बॉडी रिदम के अगेंस्ट जा रहे हो, वो कहीं ना कहीं अपना छापा छोड़ के जाएगा.
So then you're killing yourself silently.
You are doing this. Now, आपने मेरे को बोला शिप पे तो ये है, क्या कर सकते हो? I mean, this is going to happen. You're going from one time zone to the other.
Yes.
Your food habits will continuously change. Luckily, for ship, it is a little slower. That is one very good factor. एक घंटा, डेढ़ घंटा आगे
So
पीछे
now you're
होगा.
comparing us with the airlines.
That is even more taxing. But it is not something that you can control.
Yes.
है ना? ये करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. बट ये घर आके तो आप इम्प्रूव कर सकते हो. क्यों नहीं करते हो? अभी इसका मेरे पास जवाब नहीं है. यू हैव लेट्स से 2.5 to 3 months
3 months.
लीव.
Yes.
Why during those 3 months you don't want to improve and change? A lot of people tell me, हमने तो ऐसे ही बना लिया जी, घर पे भी हम ऐसे ही करते हैं. Not helping you, not at all. Once you're home, you can follow a routine, you can follow a schedule. Why won't you do that? You can give your body that time of healing, that time of rest. You should be able to give that. Sleep hygiene is very important. If you think putting on Netflix is going to get you
Sleep
to
hygiene
sleep,
is very
sleep
good.
hygiene is very important.
Very important.
है ना?
Actually.
अगर आप कानों में नेटफ्लिक्स लगा के सोने वाले हो, which most of the youngsters are doing, not helping you. Mentally not letting you be at peace. You're not unwinding, you're actually exhausting yourself to sleep. Sleep is supposed to be unwinding, relaxing, and then waking up fresh. If you're waking up fresh from
Yeah,
your
you are
sleep, it's
watching
good.
Netflix and they say, okay, I gotta only sleep when I'm watching a Netflix. That means you are,
I would rather you read a book. You know, at least
yes,
your imagination is working there.
yes,
You know, no visual stimulations are being provided unnecessarily. No audio stimulations are being provided. So what you can do is just read, let your imagination flow. It will put you into a dream, a better dream. Problem again, another problem I have with Netflix and all these things is people are watching so much of gore and violence before they're sleeping. It has a mental effect. It does have a mental effect. There is no doubt about it. And then you say, I'm not feeling fine. I'm not waking up happy. I am anxious. A lot of people are anxious. और पहले बोलते थे, there was this joke I recently heard, हमारे पहले वाली जनरेशन ने अजवाइन खा खा के एंग्जाइटियाँ मुकाती
खत्म कर दी हैं.
है ना. ये वाली जनरेशन को एंग्जाइटी हो रही है.
anxiety है, right?
There is a certain portion of anxiety which is there, which should be there. You should be anxious about certain things. You should have that stress. You know, you need to earn your bread. Stress ही ले लूँगी लाइफ से तो वो स्टिमुलेशन नहीं रहेगी.
Right.
है ना.
Right.
तो वो तो चाहिए, थोड़ा बहुत तो चाहिए, वो आई एक्सेप्ट होना चाहिए. बट अगर आपको हर चीज़ में एंग्जाइटी हो रही है कि मैं ये नहीं कर सकता, वो नहीं कर सकता, you're scared to do things, you're constantly fearing something, you cannot put yourself to sleep, you cannot eat properly, you know, that anxiety is bad. So why would you want to go through that?
Ma'am, as eating, there is another thing. On board, we had a frozen food.
Yes. Again,
That
no
is
control.
not under our control,
Not in your control.
right? So, does it impact on seafarers' health?
I am coming again and again to hypertension. A lot of it you can attribute it to the food you get. Of course, preserved food will have more content of sodium, no doubt about it. More content of sodium will present itself as high blood pressure. But you have control on it when you're at home. There
So,
is
we
no
can
doubt about it.
compensate, right? If
Compensate to quite an extent. Compensate in terms of you can burn out the food that you eat. Physical activity is very, very, very critical. I don't see a lot of people actually indulging in physical activity when they come on the land. But that's just for that place. Now, once you're back, you should be able to put in or give yourself at least 40 minutes a day.
Right.
Go for a run, go for a jog, do something that you like. You know, I'm not just saying running, jogging, they're boring for some people. So any kind of cardiovascular activity, whether it is taking up kickboxing or whether you want to go for swimming, do something which is going to make you physically active, right? That will work in your favor. Second thing that will work in your favor is घर आके नमकीन के पैकेट नहीं खाएंगे हम. घर आके सारा दिन KFC की तरफ नहीं भागे रहेंगे. लोग आके ना बोलते हैं मैम घर आके हम पराठे खाते हैं. And
I do.
parathas are to be blamed. No, parathas can't be blamed, no. Parantha,
so, I can eat.
yes, why not?
I'm eating only on Sunday.
Paranthas are what? Stuffed rotis.
Right.
You stuff it with a lot of vegetable. You have gobi ka parantha, mooli ka parantha. Nobody's
Yeah,
stopping you.
in winter, this
Problem कहाँ आती है? वो पराठे के साथ जो चीज़ें चल पड़ती हैं. You know, people won't have curd with it. क्या खाओगे? मक्खन. And then the makhan's quantity is scary. Okay.
is that is equal to the ball of curd.
Yes. Then the other part which comes into picture is how you're making your parathas. So for making it faster, what usually people do is they literally fry it. पराठे को आप तवे पे अच्छे से सेको. स्लो है कुकिंग, आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड. उसको उतारो, उसके ऊपर देसी घी थोड़ा सा लगाओ एंड खाओ. नोबडी स्टॉपिंग यू. इट्स हेल्दी. वाई वुड दे नॉट बी हेल्दी? बट हाँ, आलू का पराठा लेके आप उसको तलेंगे भी, उसके ऊपर इतना मक्खन लगाएंगे. Well, something is wrong here. This is junk. Let me be very clear. So you can compensate for that. People will not comment on कितने मोमोज खा लिए हमने. I know of couple of them. हम तो जी हर रोज मोमोज खाते हैं, शिप पे नहीं मिलते. कुछ ऐसा अच्छी बात तो है नहीं जो शिप पे अच्छा है नहीं मिल रहे.
So,
एक तरीके से.
like I can make out, we have to work on our habits
Yes.
and routine
Yes.
while we are at home.
At home, very important. Very, very.
Because on ship we cannot control. We cannot control our sleeping hours. We cannot control on our diet.
Yes.
We cannot control on our working hours also.
Huh.
So, but when we are back home, we can rehab ourselves.
Yes. That's the word, rehab. You can look into better routines, better eating healthier. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि बिल्कुल खाना पीना छोड़ के बैठ जाओ,
Right.
बट हाँ, घर का खाना कुछ नहीं कहता है, और घर पे बना के खाना इज ऑलवेज हेल्दियर.
And ma'am, now there is a new era in a merchant navy. Lot of female seafarers. I call it seafarer actually.
Yeah, you told me.
So they are joining at sea.
Yes.
Is there any difference for their parameters? Pre-joining medical checks, does they have a different medical, or they had some add-on things?
Add on.
Add-on.
Essentially add on things, because their reproductive health has to be looked into. Apart from this, there's nothing much.
Okay.
Not from medical side at least.
Okay.
But yes, we need to look into whether or not their reproductive cycles are doing okay or not. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए that शिप पे जाके उनको कष्ट होने शुरू हो जाएं, हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंसेस होने शुरू हो जाएं, तो वो हम देख के भेजते हैं.
Okay. So next question, just not question actually. What is your suggestion to seafarers with regards to health and medical?
There are two things. Can I just intervene here and say this very openly? A seafarer has to be at sea all alone in a very confined area.
So
Seafarer has to be mentally there to accept it. This is very important. ये सोच के जाना कि कोई फ़र्क नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं है. जहाज़ की लाइफ और लैंड की लाइफ में एक बहुत मेजर अंतर है, एंड दैट फैक्टर इज़ यू शुड बी मेंटली स्ट्रॉन्ग इनफ टू take the isolation which is there, which comes with seafaring. I saw how people were getting affected during COVID times, during their isolation and quarantine periods. And that is when this newfound respect I had for seafarers.
because they are always in isolation.
Always in isolation. They're always in quarantine, somehow or the other. You're just in that accommodation. और आपको बाहर की दुनिया क्या है, एक छोटी सी एरिया मिला हुआ, उसके आगे तो बाकी पानी
200-300 मीटर you cannot go out if.
उसके आगे जा ही नहीं सकते हो, है ना. और आपको मेंटली स्ट्रांग होना पड़ेगा.
So the girl
हैज़ टू बी मेंटली स्ट्रांग टू टेक इट. ये कितनी सारी लड़कियां छोड़ देती हैं क्योंकि शिप की एक राउंड ने उनकी आंखें खोल दी होती हैं कि भैया ये नहीं हो रहा है. आप ये कैसे इग्नोर कर गए इतना बड़ा फैक्टर कि आपको अकेले रहना पड़ेगा. काफ़ी कुछ होगा, काफ़ी कुछ रहना भी पड़ेगा. नाउ आवर सोसाइटी इज टेकिंग अ बिग शिफ्ट,
right.
We are going from being patriarchy to to a society which is providing equality.
Right.
You are supposed to take the brunt for the future generations. You're taking
Yes.
that brunt, and be mentally strong. होना पड़ेगा. अगर आप नहीं हो, don't go into this profession. I am not discouraging anyone, but I'm saying this because this is
as
important.
you sailed and you lived that life, I think 3 or 4 years you sailed with your husband, right?
Yeah.
From chief officer to captain. That time
From
you,
second officer.
from second
to
officer.
chief
So you
mate
were
to
with him
captain.
when he's a second officer, chief officer, and captain.
Yes.
And I think you are involved also. The way you are talking, you must have learned some of the jobs with him.
Yes, happily so.
Happily so.
Happily so. So, see, as a supernumerary, when I had to go, I had ample amount of other things to do. But yes, this was a fact. If I am there was one ship where I was the only girl, I was the only supernumerary. Loneliness would get to you, So, luckily, I liked readings. I would pick up my book and go to the bridge. Bridge wing के कोने पे बैठ के पढ़ रहे हैं हम अपना, ठीक है, सब चल रहा है. But if you're not okay with being alone, if you're not okay with, spending time with yourself, if you don't have hobbies, this goes for even male seafarers. If you don't have hobbies, it is going to get to you. It is going to get to you quite a lot.
Why I'm stressing out on the female seafarers, because recently there is a big shift. Now a lot of girls are coming out at sea.
Yes.
Earlier it was not like that.
Yes.
So I thought, as you sailed and you had I can say at home and your relatives, so many people are sailing, and you have gone through all this because people felt his husband is out at sea. But now after some time somebody's wife sister or mother out at sea. So it is very difficult to think or talk as of now. But there are few those are sailing, mothers are sailing, but it is still our.
It is difficult. There is no doubt about it. Like I said, right now it is. Maybe in future it will not be so. But like I said, mentally first you have to accept that this is going to happen. Secondly, you need to be able to make space for yourself. मैं सी फेयरर्स का एक बारी दोबारा थोड़ा सा मुद्दा उठाऊंगी. A seafarer is going to go through a lot of things which most of our colleagues are not going to understand. It's a male dominated area. Till now it has been like this. If you are alone or if you're just two females on board, there is going to be a difference in your lifestyles. There's going to be difference in how you're going to conduct yourself. You'll have to adapt, accommodate, change accordingly. हाँ मेल से एक्सपेक्टेड है कि मेल्स का रवैया भी बदलेगा, but again females also need to understand that even you have to work towards that. This gender inequality which has been there, certain level gender inequality is always going to be there because men are men and women are women. Biologically we're different. That acceptance both ways has to be there. So you need to appreciate them and they need to appreciate you. It can't be one-sided ki sort of, because there's a woman working with you, so सिर्फ एक मेल्स के ऊपर एक वो आ गया है कि नहीं जी आप ही को अकोमोडेट करना है, ऐसा नहीं होगा. So this is something that they need to work on. They have to be open about it. They need to be well versed with, all right, they have a problem in their cycle, they should be able to say it without hesitation. They should be again physically strong enough to take certain things. You can't say I'm a girl and I can't lift that weight. Gym jao ji phir to.
Right.
Simple factor.
Right.
So you can't say I'm a girl and I won't be able to do it.
Right. So it's getting too serious.
It is getting too serious.
Now I am moving to the other side.
Yeah.
You sailed, as you said, second officer when your husband is a second officer, chief officer, captain. Any good memory from that time?
Lot of good memories. Lots and lots of. I would love to sail again. But again, as a supernumerary, it's easier. No doubt about it. But while you're at sea, I remember initially when I joined ship, मेरे को बहुत डराया. बहुत डराया.
That is all for seafarer wives.
Yes, and rightly so, because they were trying to actually tell me how to manage myself. I was sharing this with you. The first time I went on board, every mirror had this written, this is the person responsible for your safety today. And I looked at myself in the mirror and 2 minute को ना झटका लगता है यार कितना खतरा है यहाँ पे कि मैं अपने आप खतरों के खिलाड़ी खेल रही हूँ. डरा. My husband told me we had to walk up the gangway and he was trying to mentally prepare me, I think, but it scared me so much. He told me I will have to go up a gangway and बोट से गैंगवे के ऊपर स्टेप करना है, लोग गिर जाते हैं. अब वो उसके बोलने का तरीका शायद ऐसा था, मेरा परसेप्शन का तरीका वैसा था. गिर जाते हैं मतलब सभी गिरते होंगे. I was so scared initially. I joined in that
Gibraltar?
No. What do you call that? The sack.
Suez Canal?
Sack होता है जो आपका जो बाल्टी से, not a बाल्टी.
The pilot ladder.
Pilot ladder is okay. जो उठा के लेके जाते हो.
Basket.
Sorry, basket. Yes.
You were on tanker.
I was on tanker, so once I had to join on the basket also. अब उसमें भी मेरे को कितना डराया कि इससे लोग गिर जाते हैं, आप बाहर लटक रहे हो, आपने पूरी बाजू ऐसे डाल के पकड़ के रखना है, हाथ कांपते हैं, नीचे नहीं देखना है, this and that. Of course, if you have a fear of heights, you will get very, very scared. It was not that scary. It wasn't. So when they're telling you something, as seafarers, they're always working towards prevention. This I must really commend seafarers for working towards prevention, thinking
about upcoming dangers,
working beforehand, taking steps before that. This you start appreciating.
Yeah.
So मज़ा आया. पहले तो डरे, उसके बाद फिर आदत पड़ी कि कैसे करना है. फिर you start paying attention to little things in life. I think I learnt it after going on ship, how to preempt a problem and work on it.
We call it execution.
Yeah, it's beautiful. And I think even in medicine, it helped me quite a lot because now when a patient comes in front of me...
That's why you commented very finely on the seafarer, about girls. because I'm not expecting, because as a doctor that is by assumption you have to only talk about medical, but the way you frame those things, because you sailed and you learned a lot of things from there.
Yes, I did. I'm telling you, this preempting and, mentally being prepared for whatever's going to come next, it has come into me after sailing. As a doctor, I think हम prevention पढ़ते हैं, execute करते हैं, but वो उसका level कितना, impact कितना बड़ा हो सकता है, वो appreciate नहीं करते.
Right.
I think after sailing, I started accepting it. This has to be done. This should become a part of
So what is the take
it.
for seafarer's wife?
Seafarer's wife, I think, first, hats off that you're a seafarer's wife. Living without your husband for an X number of months is not easy. It's not easy because you're not just taking care of the household, you're taking care of everything, right? So hats off for that. Secondly, I think seafarer's wife should make an effort to go at least once on the ship and see how they're working. You'll have this newfound respect. मैं मजाक में बहुत कुछ बोल देती हूँ, ये कोई काम धाम नहीं करते हैं, but that's not true. Staying alone at sea and constantly being on your toes. You're never sleeping. You're never off the job. It's commendable. And I
Thank you for this
say
observation.
I tell this to every wife. मैं मजाक में बोलती हूँ, जाके देखो तो सही, कुछ नहीं कर रहे. When they'll go, they'll be able to see what is going on. So you must go.
Dr. Dipanjali, because everybody should know, we are talking to Dr. Dipanjali, Panchkula, DG approved doctor.
DG approved doctor.
Yes. So everybody can come here.
Yes.
And I think most of the companies are tied up with you.
Yes.
I
a
think
lot
Fleet.
of companies. Fleet, MSC, WSM. quite
Okay,
a lot
top
of
notch, all are here with you.
Yeah.
Right. Ma'am, as you said, on board, you went to Bridge Wing
Yeah.
and start reading.
Yes.
And you start writing also that time.
Ah.
I came across, not because of book, but I came across one of the poem. I don't know where I read, but it's yours. I don't know. I'll just write it also. I'll just read it.
Yeah.
Whenever time allows me, can be after a day, a week or 3. I open my FB and see how are the people around me.
Yes. This, I write poetry. I enjoy reading poetry. A couple of my books have been published, poems have been published. This poem I especially wrote for 2 reasons. One is, like I said, I realized isolation is there. Secondly, I realized one more thing, very big aspect on how people have become so fixated on real life that they forget the real moments. So that is how it came out of me. For most of the seafarers, connections are through social media. They're maintaining communication with their friends, etc., with their family also through social media, chatting, etc.
While they are on board.
While you're on board, especially. So this is another wake-up call for them. बिकॉज ऐसा नहीं है कि जो हम फेसबुक पे सोशल मीडिया पे डाल रहे हैं वो सब अच्छा ही हो रहा है. देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट गोज बिहाइंड इट. एंड उसको देख के अपने दिल को दुखाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. उसको देख के ये ज़रूर हो सकता है आपको खुशी मिल जाए, बट सीफेयरर्स को तो स्पेशली डोंट थिंक everything that is happening on land and everything that we're posting up there is all good. We're also working very hard. ये तो है.
So it is really nice work, and I will wish you luck.
Thank you
for
so
many
much.
more, and keep me
Hopefully.
posted about this.
Pakka.
Okay, ma'am. There are a few myths
Yes,
among the seafarer community.
a lot of them.
So this is my session with my colleagues. They said must ask this question. That like today I had a medical.
Okay.
As I am joining,
Yeah.
so I had a party last night. And I had a few drinks. And while I'm having a drinks with my friend, my colleague seafarer, he said, no problem, you can have a few more drinks, but you will have a coconut water in the morning, and it will not reflect in your medical.
It will. I'm being very honest.
Okay.
कितनी बारी पकड़े जाते हो, कितनी बारी पकड़े जाते हो, ऐसे मत करो.
So alcohol आएगा ही आएगा,
अल्कोहल आएगा
चाहे
ही
कोकोनट
आएगा।
वाटर पी लो, चाहे कुछ
जो
मर्जी
मर्जी कर लो, इफ यू आर हैविंग सो मच,
ओके
है ना, आएगा.
ओके
There is a very minute amount which we overlook and allow.
ओके
Very minute.
ओके
And उससे ऊपर अगर आप हो तो you've done something very wrong somewhere. And it's for your safety. मेरी health के लिए नहीं है ये. Again, it's for your safety. We don't want you to drink and join the ship. We don't want you to drink and travel. है ना? So when you come to us, I recommend this to everybody. At least 10 दिन तो बिल्कुल सूफी होना चाहिए
सो
आपको.
10 दिन पहले स्टॉप
बिल्कुल नहीं.
ड्रिंकिंग.
हाँ, प्लीज स्टॉप ड्रिंकिंग. और अगर आप 10 दिन नहीं पी पा रहे, मतलब नहीं झेल पा रहे हैं, then there's something wrong with you, you know. Then you need some help somewhere.
Okay.
If you can't even
That is
abstain for
ringing
10
bell
days.
to other
yes,
side.
it's actually a wake up call then. है ना? So why? एक तो firstly I don't understand the whole concept of binge drinking. Secondly,
It
if
is
you
not
have
binge
to-
drinking actually. You know, when you are in company, you even don't know where you reached.
I agree. ठीक है, company है, you're having fun, but that cannot be every day. When
Yes.
I'm saying binge drinking, I know of seafarers who binge drink and I don't understand why. And yes, the thing that you told me, कई बार ही होता है, वो अल्कोहल पॉजिटिव है मेरे पास, अब मैं तो फिटनेस दूंगी नहीं इस पे. और वो बोलते हैं हमने तो नींबू पानी और कोकोनट वाटर पिया था. ऐसा नहीं होगा, ऐसा नहीं होगा.
And another
कितना बचाएगा
same
coconut
like that
water?
is very funny. Even I start laughing that I had a grapes last night. So
And the grapes got fermented inside and we were presenting. Like I said, minute quantities come into your body from other sources also, which we are aware of. हम वो तो देख ही नहीं रहे, उस लेवल पे तो आपको चेक ही नहीं कर रहे. मैं उस दिन किसी को मजाक में बोला था, मैं बोला अगर हम चेक करने पे आ गए
तो we'll find
फिर,
out.
फिर तो तुम्हारा पिछले 3 साल का चिट्ठा भी निकाल सकता है हम. बट दैट इज नॉट द पॉइंट. ग्रेप्स खा के कोई ऐसी इंटरनल फर्मेंटेशन नहीं कर रहे हैं आप कि आपको नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग में आएगा अल्कोहल में.
ma'am, pre-COVID
हाँ.
and post-COVID, I don't know how true it is. Fatty liver cases are increased after COVID.
Because during COVID, people had a lot of homemade lazeez khana, I would say. See, there are studies going on this because COVID is very recent. For me to say, nahi ji, bilkul koi farak nahi tha, that is also not true. But to always, pinpoint COVID and say कि COVID की वजह से ही सब कुछ, I don't think that is correct either. Now, people have this tendency of blaming the vaccine, blaming COVID. One thing I understand and I think people should accept and appreciate is maybe COVID brought us together globally. The social media became very strong. The information which was being thrown at us became even more easily available, easily accessible to almost everybody.
Now, so many things we
So
can do
many things.
remotely because of COVID.
Yes, because of COVID, this has happened. So if you say that COVID से पहले ये नहीं था and COVID के बाद हुआ, that's not true. COVID से पहले आपको पता नहीं था,
Right.
है ना? COVID के बाद आपको information accessibility is there, so you know about it.
Right.
So always pinpointing on COVID ने कर दिया, COVID ने कर दिया, I don't think so. अपने गिरेबान में भी झांक के हमें देखना चाहिए हम क्या कर रहे हैं.
Ma'am, as we are talking about alcohol,
हाँ.
one of my ship, we had this drug and alcohol test. And we had very young fellow who is like, I think 22 or 23.
Also, you shared this with me earlier.
Yeah, he got positive.
Yes.
And he is, as company is having a no alcohol policy, he is not having anything on board. But he said before joining he had drugs which is called ganja before joining. So I think that is approximately 3 months nearby from joining to this test. So does it reflect after 3 months?
I don't know how much of it he had.
Okay.
I don't know what quality he had.
Okay.
I don't know how frequently he was having it. And I am not even sure whether he's telling the truth, whether he has it on board or not.
Okay.
Reason I'm saying this is, why would you indulge in any recreational drug? These are called recreational drugs. He's indulging in that, firstly. I don't think he's fit to sail.
Okay.
He should not be allowed to sail. Anybody who has a mental dependency on some drug or some medicine is not fit to sail. Right? So, एक तो पहले तो उसने लिया, he's confessing to that, he's not fit. Secondly, yes, at times when your metabolic rate is such, when your metabolism maybe is slow and you've taken like a lot of amount of it, maybe it is because of that it is showing. We have seen cases and we have stopped cases from joining because of this very problem. Now, there are so many which are available. You will be surprised to know everybody is talking about Canada legalizing it, Holland legalizing it. मैं सभी को बोलती हूँ वो मजबूरी है, ये कोई अच्छी चीज़ नहीं है. Why do you want to have a drug? Why do you want to... They call it herbal and they say it has got less side effects than smoking. Well, let me be very clear. Smoking is causing physical side effects. Can cause cancers, can cause heart attacks. Your herbal drugs, like they
It
call
goes
it,
to mind.
it goes to mind. It is spoiling your mind.
Yeah.
Why do you want to do that?
It will disturb your thinking power also.
Permanently so.
Yeah, permanently.
So, right? You will end up having psychiatric disorders.
Yeah.
So, मेरे को पर्सनली तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं समझता है कि आप क्यों इंडल्ज करोगे इस सब में.
Right.
कोई आपको बेनिफिट हो रहा है? नो. It's going to take you down a very slippery slope.
Just for a kick.
Very slippery slope. Kick बोल लो, hi बोल लो. There's so many fancy words. The younger generation has it.
Gen Z is using a kick. I don't know. When I'm researching on it, that time I came to know.
नहीं,
The
नहीं,
high
नहीं,
is the old one
हाँ.
and kick is the new one.
I want to get revved up. This was the latest I heard. I'm like, revving up? I don't understand this.
So, Dr. Dipanjali, thank you very much for today's show and being with us. I am really thankful.
Thank you for
And
having me.
this is very insightful conversation, and you shed light on the medical checks, many more things, especially with the seafarers. Those are coming out at sea, and you also commented on the seafarer's wife. Thank you very much for today's show.
Thank you.
With us. I think we will do many more in future. Happy New Year to all of you, and stay tuned. We'll come up with many more episodes in future. As of now, I'm signing off. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.